Area I throw salute to they welcome for football and preaching after match talk am how you see am. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, like this clip, and drop a comment. Chelsea 1 and Crystal Palace 0. And we get Oga Ostain no be like get Chelsea fan, get person make content lot about how we see this game. Oga Austin, how you see your team performance today?
We perform well now. A good performance from Chelsea. All our wins they work. Apart from say Jorginho wey be like say we come score one goal, Jorginho call him one flop, one kind for the game. But all the same, thank God say we collect the 3 points.
All right, now I want to ask you about their chill. How you seeing performance today for that left centre back position for Chelsea?
The boy perform well, but on my own, we no fit use this match take judge am. Never face test. We dey play Liverpool for weekend here, so if he start, we go see how he go fit perform. If he go fit show this kind of performance when he show today, fine. But for now, well, he do well for today game, sha, but mo never judge am, mo never too rate am.
So who be your own man of the match for today game?
Na this man na Thiago Silva, I be my man of the match because he try for the game. For the first half, he make few attempt to score wey be like say we get striker for game, and for the second half, for when we score for that minutes he still defend, he make save for us. So for me, na be my man of the match.
So I want to ask you about Mikhailo Mudryk signing now. For today game, they don't unveil him as Chelsea player. In come Stamford Bridge inside the middle of the stadium for halftime. How you see that signing as a Chelsea fan? 100 million euros from Shakhtar Donetsk for a young player like that. How you see the signing?
First of all, the deal na good deal. At least the contract years is long, about 6 years or so, 7 years. Na very long contract. So for me, na good deal. The money no too much based on the contract length, but for the player type of play, I never see am play once to know if he go fit deliver. So for me, the contract dey okay, but if he come, make he deliver, make he play wetin we wan see. I wetin I fit talk about it.
So as a Chelsea fan, any hope there for Chelsea to win any trophy this season?
If I tell you say if I tell you say hope dey, I lie you. As we dey now, na to struggle make we comot for that 10th position wey we dey, make we come up. I no fit even guarantee you top 4, but make we just come up small. If na for we to play that Europa League or conference, make we go there. But for say any title this season, I no see anyone who fit win.
So, but for inside this transfer window now, we don't say Chelsea, they sign players. So you as a Chelsea fan, you think say Chelsea still need to bring in more players because we see the year report say Chelsea go still do at least maybe one more signing before the transfer window go end. You think say the club need more players?
With wetin we dey see so, with the way the player, the owner dey sign players. For my own opinion, if you say maybe you wan drive some Chelsea players comot, those lazy ones, they be like say those underperforming players wey no dey perform, you wan drive them comot. So na make am dey make all this signing, because you no expect person wey be like say just take over club dey make all this kind signings, plenty signing like this dey spend money. He get plan, and I know say he go drive some comot, sell some. So na the rebuilding process we dey, but this our coach, he no join the process, he no dey for the plan. Na wetin I fit talk.
So Oga Austin, you don't talk say the coach no join for the plan. So if I understand what you dey talk, the coach suppose dey among the people wey dey suppose drive because you use the word drive. But which players you think say they suppose drive with that word wey you use comot for Chelsea with all these players wey dey come? If you list of your own list as a Chelsea fan, your own list wey you get for hand, say this guy they suppose let am go, that guy they suppose let am go. Which players you think say dey that list, your own list?
I'll start for the first 11. Player wey know say this na our first 11. Jorginho, they suppose drive Jorginho, although him contract go expire. Why Zaish? They suppose drive Zaish. Why this boy na mo dey call out to the Loftus-Cheek? They suppose drive Loftus-Cheek. They go come arrest am join for wetin he don do for Chelsea. Then Gallagher always no be player wey Chelsea need for midfield. Gallagher suppose go. Then the coach, this coach na fraud, he come fraud Chelsea. They suppose, if they sack am, make they arrest am go, because this man, they go arrest am, make pay all the whole money they wan pay am back, because na fraud, they come the fraud Chelsea. So that's wetin I fit talk.
All right, now, guys. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, they for the description for inside this video.